Oke, halo guys, nama saya Yudhistira Setiaji. Saya biasa dipanggil dengan nama Didi.
Nama saya Adeline.
My name is Riley.
Nama saya Angela.
My name is Samuel. So the vision that I have for PPIA this year is to unify and expand the horizon of PPIA USYD.
Anggota-anggota komunitas periode lalu itu ceria-ceria semua. Setelah itu mereka determinasinya sangat kuat juga.
It was great. That's the reason why I decided to become the marketing director. I reckon Kenley was a good leader, but unfortunately, there were a lot of internal conflicts going on. For those of you who didn't know, there are 7 committees leaving the team last year. And I think the main issue regarding that is the communication. I think that there's an exclusivity within the executive team and also within the directors. The executive team, I'm not trying to diss them, but in my opinion, they value hierarchy too much. They think they are the boss of the society, and they think they're the one that should be executing everything without asking the opinions of the team.
There's obviously improvements that can be made in terms of the internal management and internal control.
Tentunya tim kami bakal merubah pertama image dari PPIA USYD ya, karena banyaknya rumor yang terjadi yang disebarkan di pihak-pihak eksternal. Tetapi yang saya ingin benar-benar serang merupakan asas kekeluargaan dari komunitas ini.
I want to make us a more inclusive society and a more diversified society, associating ourselves with other similar organizations such as the Singaporean and the Malaysian societies.
In terms of internal control yang tadi saya bilang, mungkin bisa eksekutif dan director lebih transparan.
Work together, side by side, and at the end of this period, we will have the best time of our life.
We value their opinions, and anyone is open to challenge the directors or the executives. Just make it clear that hierarchy is just that, it's a hierarchy, but in reality, we're just there to supervise and direct and not order around.
It's for them to be initiative and proactive, but also for them to be able to influence other people. So just because they're a committee doesn't mean they just wait for orders. I want them to be able to think ahead, to have a vision and missions for PPIA USYD.
Inspire other people sih. Yang saya mau itu adalah untuk influence the committee, for them to influence other people.
We make a family and then we can depend on each other.
Misalnya ada suatu masalah internal, ada masalah langsung diselesaikan di meeting atau apa, jangan cuma dipendam aja. Jadi kayak masalahnya langsung diselesain hari itu juga gitu.
It helps me to improve my skills in organizing myself and the PPIA too.
Rasa kerinduan saya terhadap kehidupan organisasi. Selama saya di SMA, saya literally spent 3 years of my high school life itu kerja di sebuah organisasi. So I never been to class, rarely go to class, rarely do exams too. So I think having this opportunity to become vice president is really blessing for me.
Saya mau buat tahun terakhir di kuliah saya tuh menjadi lebih memorable. Dengan saya menjadi wakil ketua, saya ingin merubah perspektif orang-orang yang jelek dari PPIA tahun lalu menjadi yang lebih baik.
Alright. Fun fact about me, I spent 3 years in all boys high school, so ladies, watch out.
Indo aku jelek banget.
I might not look like it, but I like to party.
Well, my legal name is not actually Willie, thankfully. It's Ronaldo Wongso, but everyone's been calling me Willie for as long as I can remember, so that's what I'm going with.
Waktu kecil kayak SD sama SMP kayak gue tomboy banget. Tapi kan semenjak SMA dan masuk kuliah jadi lebih anggun.
So guys, there'll be a lot of fun and interesting changes that's coming up next year. So be ready, and we're looking forward to see you.